In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Philips remote control by doing a factory reset of the remote control. No matter which model you have, no matter how it looks, that's not important, even if it's not looking like this one. So how do you do this? Very easy. Take your Philips TV and unplug it from the wall socket. Once it's unplugged, turn around your remote control, remove the battery cap, and remove the batteries. Once the batteries are removed, turn your remote around and we'll need to press every button very hard, at least 3 times each. Okay, do it, be patient. It may take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, I don't know how much, depending how many buttons you have, because every single button needs to be pressed very hard. This is because if one of these buttons is getting stuck, the whole remote control will not work. And this factory reset will not work either. So make sure that you press every single one of these buttons very hard, at least 3 times. Once this is done, go ahead and plug back your Philips TV into the wall socket. Then turn your remote around, put back the batteries. I always suggest you use brand new batteries in case these were the issue. Okay, great. Then power on your Philips TV using the button located on the TV itself, not the one on the remote control. Once your TV is working, go ahead and test the remote control. Hopefully everything is solved and your remote is working as it should. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each button and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way you know for sure that the remote control is working and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV. If you want to get a universal remote control from Amazon, I'll put links down below. If you want to leave a comment, go ahead. I'll be very pleased to read them. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.